The National Weather Service of Zappa Springs has issued a high wind warning for. This is category sites for Metro Washington and then Coastal Jackson, including the Washington Jacks. So did that at only 3:30 p.m. At 1:30 p.m., a high wind warning was located for this area with 30 miles that they did that, moving at 60 miles per hour. This dangerous wind located for this round and moving at 40 miles per hour. A high wind warning was located for this round, including so many winds. Location in the packet include football, trees, castle, Francis, America, Tapa Rabbits, Clifton Rabbits, trees, tailors, trees, Seagato, Zacos, trees, Sick Go There, Sykes, Fairgrounds, Valley Football, Liberty Townships, Cuptown, Crease, Etafing, Downs, Tongo, Trees, Catnipped, Trestle, Cada, Pet Store, Sam Schizo, Cemetery, Kamakasa, Anime, Hostel, and Japan. This dangerous wind was located for this area and moving right now. And also, impact, flying with the debris with those cars without shelter. Mobile homes will be super destroyed. High wind will destroy the houses. Also, vehicles will likely, and it will be destroyed right now. And also, high wind warning will be near right now. And it will be here at 3:30 p.m. And it will stay at 5:30 p.m. And it will end at 10:30 p.m. This dangerous window located for this area, including highways. So now be careful. Go in the basement on the 2-room and also of the civil building and outdoors. And the mobile home. Figure wood outdoors. Move into closest and dangerous shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. High wind watch is coming right now. It's super speedy in this one and moving the 60 speeds. Speedy, so also block the trees and the roads in this one. Everyone will get destroyed. Take up now. Eep, eep, eep.